Most people think you need hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy a business. But what if I told you you could buy a profitable company with no money out of your pocket? Sounds fake, right? It's not. It's called seller financing, and it's a real strategy used by private equity firms, entrepreneurs, and now people just like you. What is seller financing? Seller financing is simple. Instead of paying the full purchase price of a business upfront, the seller lets you pay a portion over time, usually with interest. Think of it like this. It's a loan, but from the seller instead of a bank. Let's say you're buying a business worth $300,000. Instead of paying all of that on day one, you might pay $50,000 to $100,000 up front, and the seller finances the remaining $200,000. You then pay them back over 3-5 years using the profits from the business itself. Why? This is a game changer. This is how you buy a cash-flowing asset without draining your savings or taking on massive personal risk. It's especially powerful if you don't qualify for traditional loans, you're new to buying businesses, or you want to keep cash for operations and growth. Even better, sometimes, the entire deal can be structured with zero money out of pocket if you combine seller financing with investor capital, SBA loans, earnouts, or even revenue share models. The key is structuring the deal right. Why sellers say yes? Now you might be thinking, why would anyone agree to this? Here's why. Fewer buyers have cash, especially in smaller deals. Offering financing helps them sell faster. Tax reasons. Spreading the payments over time helps reduce their tax burden. Legacy protection. Many owners care about their team, brand, and customers. They're looking for someone trustworthy, not just someone with cash. Avoiding brokers and months-long delays. They want speed and certainty. In smaller business acquisitions under 5M, the emotional side often outweighs the financial. The seller doesn't just want money. They want the right person. How to structure a seller finance deal. Here's how you make it work. Step 1. Build a relationship. Talk to the owner, understand why they're selling and what matters to them beyond price. Step 2. Present a win-win deal. Offer a partial upfront payment followed by monthly installments over 3 to 5 years. At a fair interest rate, typically 5% to 8%. Step 3. Use the business's own cash flow to make the monthly payments. Step 4. Include a fallback clause. What happens if you default? Reassure the seller that you have a plan to protect them, and don't go in alone. Work with the lawyer to draft the promissory note. Personal guarantee, if any. An asset purchase agreement. Creative structures, no money down. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can often stack seller financing with other tools to reduce or eliminate your upfront cost. Use investor funds to cover the down payment. Apply for SBA 7A loan, where the SBA covers up to 90% of the price. Negotiate an earnout, where part of the price is paid only if the business hits certain milestones. Or ask for a deferred down payment, giving you 3-6 months post-close before the first check is due. This gives you time to step in, learn the operations, and even improve performance before paying a cent. Seller financing is how people with no rich parents, no venture capital, and no Ivy League degree quietly build serious wealth. It's not easy. You need negotiation skills, clear communication, and integrity. But if you can find the right seller, structure a smart deal, and operate the business well, you can own multiple companies without ever risking your own money up front. Want to learn how real deals are structured and how people are building million-dollar portfolios through smart acquisitions? Follow this channel. We break down advanced business strategies simply.